everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make breakfast, okay? Something easy and simple. Most of the time we have khao ji, like sticky rice, ji khao or khao ji, right? But this is very easy because we don't have time, have to be like beat the traffic and all that. So it's gonna be like express breakfast, okay? So I'm gonna use a sticky rice. I will show you very soon. Let's cook with me. Egg, sea salt, chicken flavor, vegetable oil. Okay, first we're gonna go ahead prepare the egg first, okay? And I still have the sticky rice. Sticky rice have to be very hot, okay? You can use like new sticky rice if you want to, like cook the same day or leftover. Not necessary to have, you know, leftover sticky rice. You can use any sticky rice. Let's go ahead and get started. Tara na. It's ยังไง It's easy, right? ง่ายโอเคข้าวจีกินตอนเช้าหอมกรอบแซ่บ กินไม่ดับพร้อมห้อนมันอ่อนมันไหนชอบเฮ้ยมีเวลาลองเห็ดบึงนะแซ่บอาหารเช้า just a breakfast ครับต้องเทคเวลาร้อนทุกคู่นะแฮปปี้พอทุกคู่อย่าลืมกินน้ำแก้วบองก็ได้ you can eat with anything you want hot sauce แก้วบอง but in the morning I prefer fruit it's good for you รับประกันนะแบบนี้ Okay thank you for watching this recipe is very good for breakfast and for the children or the kids that love sticky rice so try this make them some breakfast okay and if you like my video please hit like and subscribe down here okay and I see you next time ลาก่อน bye bye